All right. Good evening, everyone. You are all welcome to this group chat where we'll be using our smartphone to do our IBM SPSS assignment in just 2 minutes. All right. So please, I would love everybody to pay close attention to this so that we will not miss it. I want us to, if you don't have ChatGPT on your phone, this icon here, this one here. If you don't have it on your phone, sorry, I double clicked and it's opened. And if you don't have ChatGPT on your phone, do well to download it. This is it. This is it. So do well to download it and let's get started. So now I'm going to my. I already have the link on my WhatsApp. I believe by now the man must have sent you your link where you will get your data set. It must have been sent to you by now. So now this is the link. This is someone's class link where they will get their data set from, this one in particular. So I'm just going to click on the link so that I will just look for the person's before this link. Sorry, let me go back. Before this link, something was sent to your class group. I'm coming. Something was sent to your class group. This stuff here, you will check for your name, this beauty something something beauty project blah blah blah, and just click on it, search for your name. I'm opening the file. Search for your math number and check for what you are doing, and check for your data set. Okay, like this first person now, justice justice is doing data set, med data set 100 lab science. Okay, that's one for justice. So we are going to look for, I'm using number one as an example. So we are going to go to that link. We are going back to that link that was posted on our group chat. This link here. We are going back to this link. We are going to click on the link. So we'll look for justice 100. We are going to look for 100 micro. Was it microbiology just now or what? Okay, lab science. We are going to look for 100 lab science. Med data sets 100 lab science. I'm coming, please. So we are going to look for that. Lab science 100. Load. Don't waste my time, please. Okay, 100 lab science. Okay, we have gotten it. So if you notice, it's two lab science that is here. Med 100 lab science 1 and med science med 100 lab science 2. So I will download this this I will download the second one. I will download the second one. I will download it. Then it has downloaded. So I'm going to my file. I will go to my file. I'll go to my file. I will open this. I will open it with WPS Office. For those of you that don't have WPS, just anything that you are using to read your PDF, just click on it and open it. Make sure you download it before you open it, because if you share it to yourself on WhatsApp, if you are trying to open it, it will not open. Make sure you download it and download it from the link directly, because if you share it to yourself, it will not work. So now we are going to copy. We have opened the file, so we are going to copy from the beginning of this thing. If you look at it in between a and 1, we are going to start copying from there. I will copy everything. Kind of zoom it in. So I've copied everything I need to copy. I will click on this place and copy it. So now I've gotten my data sets. So now let's get straight to the main point where we will get our answers. So dis is the first part. I'm coming please.